Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the garment fits as is, then mark the waist dart precisely with chalk. Accurate placement prevents distortion later. Use a tape to measure from center back or side seam so you keep balance across the waist. Once marked, press the seam flat and clip excess threads. This helps the fabric lie smooth when you open the dart. Make sure to transfer notches and grain lines so you can realign pieces after removing the dart. Begin by unpicking only the stitch line. You now unpick the dart stitch slowly, removing only the thread so you don't weaken adjacent seams. Once the dart is open, redistribute the intake along the waist by smoothing the fabric towards side seams or center back, depending on pattern ease. Pin the redistributed fullness evenly, checking that dart's tip area lies flat. This avoids puckers. Then redraw a smooth seam line to blend the new curve into the existing waist. Using a French curve, if needed to keep an even-looking shape. You sew the new seam along the blended line using a standard stitch length for the fabric. Once done, press the seam toward the designated side to set the shape. Trim allowances and finish with overcast, zigzag, or serge. Consider understitching or light interfacing if the waist needs stability. Make sure to top stitch subtly if original garment had visible stitching. If you see puckering, stop, repress, and repin, redistributing fullness slightly, testing the fix on a scrap piece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.